So hello everyone, my name is Aman Gupta and welcome to my channel Engineers Coding Hub. So in this OOP series, this is the second lecture, and in the last lecture we have discussed about the what is object oriented programming and what is class and object. I have discussed all about the things for interview purpose as well. So in this video we will discuss about the most favorite question about the interviewer, like what is constructor. So let's discuss about the constructor, getter and setter in Java. Okay. So what is the constructor? So constructor is a special method or a special function in the class which are automatically called when an object is created. So class के special methods और function होते हैं constructor which is automatically called when object is created, and it is used to initialize the object. तो इनका यूज किया जाता है ऑब्जेक्ट को इनिशियलाइज करने के लिए, and they have the same name as the class. So इनका नाम एज सेम इज क्लास के नेम जैसा होता है, अगर सेम नेम जैसा नहीं है तो इट इज नॉट अ कंस्ट्रक्टर. ओके. सो एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज डू नॉट हैव एनी रिटर्न टाइप. तो कंस्ट्रक्टर डू नॉट हैव एनी रिटर्न टाइप. सो ये तीन चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि इट्स ऑटोमेटिकली कॉल्ड व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज क्रिएटेड एंड इट इज यूज्ड टू इनिशियलाइज द ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड द लास्ट वन इज इट्स नॉट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ रिटर्न टाइप. ओके. We will talking about the return type as well, so in later in details, so don't worry about it. So this second is types of constructor. So how many types in constructor in Java? So first is default constructor, which is provided by the Java when कब this is the मतलब कब provide किया जाता है default constructor when provided by the Java if no constructor is defined inside the class. So अगर अपनी class के inside the class कोई भी constructor define नहीं है, then Java is automatically provide the default constructor. लेकिन अगर अपनी क्लास के अंदर कोई भी पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर और वैसा भी कंस्ट्रक्टर लाइक कॉपी कंस्ट्रक्टर डिफाइंड है, देन जावा विल नॉट प्रोवाइड एनी डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर. तो उस केस में आपको अपना कंस्ट्रक्टर डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर खुद बनाना पड़ेगा. ओके. एंड द पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर and a constructor that takes argument, which have take the argument, this is called the parameterized constructor. And third one is copy constructor that initialize an object using another object of the same as class. So we send the object as an argument of this constructor, and this constructor create another object and assign that object that is comes with argument. Okay. So we will see the example, so it will very clarify to you. Okay, let's see the example. So this is my car class. Inside this class, we have three constructors. So first is default constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor, which take the argument. And third one is copy constructor, which take the object as an argument. Okay. So फर्स्ट इज डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर. तो ये प्रोवाइड किया जाता है जावा द्वारा, पर कब प्रोवाइड किया जाता है जब अपनी क्लास में कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्टर ना हो, डिफाइन ना हो. लाइक अगर अपनी क्लास में ये दोनों कंस्ट्रक्टर नहीं होते तो दिस विल ऑटोमेटिकली प्रोवाइडेड बाय द जावा. ओके. सेकंड वन इज पैरामीटराइज, तो ये तो अपन को क्रिएट करना ही पड़ता है. ओके. थर्ड वन इज ये भी अपन को ही क्रिएट करना पड़ता है. ये भी जावा द्वारा प्रोवाइड नहीं किया जाता है बाय डिफॉल्ट, बट सी प्लस प्लस में कॉपी कंस्ट्रक्टर प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. अगर अपनी क्लास में कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्टर डिफाइन नहीं है तो सी प्लस प्लस में दोनों प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं, पर अगर अपनी जावा क्लास में अगर कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्टर डिफाइन नहीं है तो देन इट्स प्रोवाइड ओनली द नॉन पैरामीटराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्टर और डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर. ओके. सो ये बहुत ही पॉपुलर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन है. ओके. सो लेट्स सी. दिस इज आई एम क्रिएटिंग अ ऑब्जेक्ट. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा था, अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है देन आप जाके देख सकते हो कि व्हाट इज क्लास, ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज ऑल डिस्कस अबाउट इन दैट वीडियो. So this is how I am creating the object with default constructor using the default constructor. Okay. Second is I am using the parameters constructor and by passing the model name and year. Okay. So this is the parameter constructor. And third one is I am assigning the this object like object to car2 object. I am assigning that constructor. So this is called copy constructor. तो ये वाले object के अंदर ये वाला object assign कर देगा, which is copy कर देगा. I will also discuss the details about copy constructor when we discuss about the shallow copy and deep copy concept in Java. Okay, so don't worry about it. We will discuss in our upcoming videos. And then I am printing the model 1 car1 or model 1 object, then car2 dot model and car2 dot year. So this is how I am printing this. And so and the last one, this is most important for interview. This is the key point of this scenario. Okay. So what is the key point? So key point is if no constructor is defined in the class, then Java provide the default constructor. So I have already discussed, है ना? Second one is if constructor or like default or parameterized constructor is defined in the class, then Java does not provide any default constructor. Okay, अगर अपनी क्लास में अपन ने कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्टर डिफाइन करके रखा है, then Java not provide any default constructor automatically. Okay, and third one is copy constructor. So a constructor used to create a new object as a copy of an existing object. Like अगर कोई भी existing object है उसकी copy create करना है, then it will provide the copy constructor. So we can use the copy constructor also. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, so let's go to the online GDP. Select the Java here and remove this code. Okay, so now I'm creating the class called as car. Car have two parameters by default. So this is this. Okay, string and model. So as of now, I am creating as a public model, public int year. Okay, and okay, and I am creating a one method also, which is display this data. So public void is not written anything, it just print the data. So display just system dot out dot print. Okay, so this is just print the this is just printing the model, print the model. Okay, and the year. So now I am creating a object. So we will see कि Java automatically default constructor provide करता है कि नहीं. Okay, so just creating car as an object. Car is equal to new car. So this is I am creating a default constructor. So it will automatically provide by the Java क्योंकि अपन ने यहाँ तो कोई default constructor declare किया define किया नहीं है. Then Java will automatically यहाँ पे paste कर देगी. Okay, define कर देगी. And then car dot model car dot what kept it is small m. Okay, so m is equal to Toyota. Okay, so model name is Toyota. The car as year is 2021. Okay, and let's display what will happen. Will display or not? So the car dot display. Okay, and let's run it. So you can see that this is hello world printing by default. Let's remove it and run again. So you can see the result. The model is a Toyota, and the year is what is the year? The year is basically defined the year. Okay, so model is Toyota. So here not pi space, just take the one space. Okay, so you can see the model is Toyota and the year is 2000. So this is the example की Java अगर अपन कोई भी constructor provide define नहीं करते inside the class, then it will automatically define the default constructor. This is the example. Okay, let's see the another one. Like let's create the another constructor. So constructor name is just like a so just add the public and construct name because it doesn't have any return type. So आप यहाँ define नहीं कर सकते. Okay, and car. This is it take two argument like int like string model and int year, which is used to initialize the object. तो this is क्या हो रहा है कि initialize कर रहे हैं object. Use this dot model. We will talk about this keyword in our upcoming videos in details, so don't worry about it. Okay, this dot year is equal to year. Okay, so this model which come as an argument which store inside this model. Okay, this is nice, good. And let's create the another object. Like I'm creating a parameterized object. Car2. Here we need to pass the model name. Like I am again pass the Toyota. The year is 2022 ले लेते हैं. Okay. Okay. And I can display. So I call the display. So which display the data. So यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज देखने को मिलेगी. अपन ने क्या डिस्कस किया था कि अगर अपन कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्टर क्लास के अंदर डिफाइन नहीं करते देन इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली प्रोवाइड द डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर. तो ये अपना कंस्ट्रक्टर चल रहा था ये वाला डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर. बट व्हेन वी डिफाइन एनी कंस्ट्रक्टर इनसाइड द क्लास देन जावा विल नॉट प्रोवाइड एनी कंस्ट्रक्टर. तो इस पे वो एरर देगा. सो लेट्स सी एरर देता है कि नहीं. तो यू कैन सी दिस इट विल गिव द एरर. सो वो बोल रहा है कि आपको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज अब जावा प्रोवाइड बाय डिफॉल्ट नहीं करेगा क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी ये कंस्ट्रक्टर आपकी इसमें है. तो वी नीड टू डिफाइन द डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर ऑल्सो which don't take any argument. So like this. Okay, let's run the code and you can see it will run perfectly. So this is my second basis. This is my second object which I created using the parameterized constructor. So Toyota and 2022 and this is my first wala jo default constructor tha. Okay, and third one is copy constructor. So car, take the car as a car. They have defined that this dot model is equal to car dot model and this dot year is equal to car dot year. Okay, and let's create the another object car3 which is same copy as a car2. Okay, so new car2 I will pass the car2 का object pass कर रहा हूँ which is copy कर देगा directly and then I am printing the car3 dot display. Okay, so same is data same दोनों का same ही आएगा like Toyota and 2020. Let's see, it will give the error. Why it is giving the error? My car3 dot display. Okay, I have forgot the add the semicolon here. So you can see the same as data as same as print because the car2 and car3 is a copy है दूसरे के. Okay, so I am copying this car2 object in a car3. So it is same data आ रहा है. So this is all the about the constructor. Let's further discuss about some getter and setter. So this is very simple. Setter and getter is so getter and setter. What is getter and setter in Java? So getter and setter are method which is used to access and update the value of the private variable. So it's a method होते हैं which is used to access and update the variable of the class. So this is the part of encapsulation. So we will see the encapsulation in detail in our upcoming video. So don't worry about it. So getter, what is getter? The method to retrieve the value of a private variable. Like if we define any private variable inside the class and then I want to get the data. So this getter, I will define the getter for that purpose. Okay, so this is my constructor and this is the getter. So I want to model. So how can I access model? Like private है इस class में model. So how can I access? So using the get getter. So this is syntax of get model. एक recommended है कि like आप ऐसे ही बनाओ. Like अगर अपन को model get करना है तो then get and then model variable का नाम data member का नाम. So this will return the model and that setter. So it will take the argument and set the value. Like it will take the model का setter है तो set model name and string में model लेगा and अपने variable में define कर देगा. Like same as for year, it get year and set year. So this is very simple. So you can practical it. Okay, now I am in this class. So using access the value. Okay, so this is like I am accessing the value, like I am creating an object of car like Honda in 2022 20 and just get the value of any particular variable. So car dot get model, it will give the model name, and this will give the year. And the same as the I am setting the value, like I am set the value of set model code and set year 2022, and then I will get the value like this car dot get model. So I can call the function this directly method, this function को directly call कर सकते, डेटा लेके ले सकते हैं, सेट भी कर सकते हैं. This is very simple. Okay, so ये getter setter तो ज्यादा नहीं पूछा जाता, but the important thing is this about the constructor. Okay, so thank you, this is all about the constructor. So अगर आपको कंटेंट पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.